What you see is, apparently, according to the ad online, we got this from a Craigslist trade. We got rid of a Jeff's M4 that he had that was Black Ops. We put an M120 in it, but Jeff just didn't want the damn gun anymore. He looked at it after he got a SOG 68 and just said, I can't deal with this. Anyways, we traded the guy and he said the gun, it has a strip pinion gear and all this other shit. He said it's King Arms, but so far these are 2 high caps. These are metal, not plastic like the Cyber gun, so it kind of looks like you might be right. Looks like something broke over here. Doesn't matter because we're not using the stock. Came with the battery. I don't know what is going on there, but let's find out what's wrong with this real quick. The guy said it was a stripped gear, and you were very hesitant to trade, so let's find out. Enough said. Let's grab the damn screwdriver. Push the motor down. Oh, wow.
Boom. Fixed.
Motor needs to be adjusted. That's it, motor height. And the guy said it was a pinion gear. What a dumbass. Not all boneyard trades or buys are broken. But as you can see, all it was a simple motor height adjustment, which I don't have any Allen wrenches yet. So I use my hand and work.
Second time this happened.
Yeah, first time was with a Tokyo Marui HK5. And that's it.